How to send voice message on Facebook dating and basically alternatives, because in Facebook dating you can't actually see the microphone option unlike a normal chat. So the chat feature is strictly text based like Messenger, the dating I mean. So it doesn't include the microphone option, only the video call over here if it's allowed. So any guides showing a mic icon are confusing it with regular Facebook Messenger, where voice messages are possible. But in Facebook dating, your only options are typing text messages, sending emojis, and basically whatever you get over here. But there are a few alternatives, of course. Since Facebook dating does not allow voice messages, you can use alternative ways to send audio to your matches. One option is to basically just get each other's information and actually go back to a normal chat. So you can add them in the normal Facebook account and basically get yourself to the normal chat where the mic is an option. So another alternative is to use third-party apps like WhatsApp or Telegram or Signal, but pretty much the same as we mentioned on the first one, which is to just go to the normal Facebook chat. But you'll need to exchange contact info first. So this is probably one of the reasons why the microphone isn't allowed, but the video call is, because it's basically consensual to both sides, unlike a voice message where you just send it directly without permission technically. So some users opt for video messages in Messenger as a more personal alternative to voice notes. So while dating itself is text only, you can go ahead and combine it with other messaging platforms that will let you communicate with voice. But it usually involves communication or changing information between your match and you. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.